Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day so far, a blessed day so far. If you're new to the channel, my name is Artress. Thanks so much for coming. You guys are awesome. Awesome. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to make shampoo from hibiscus leaf. Yes, so let's get into the video. Okay, so for this shampoo you only need the leaves, just the leaves. You don't need anything else but the leaves. And right now I'm going to add some water to that, not too many water because I want my shampoo to be as thick as possible. So I'm just going to half that. Yeah, probably a little over half or less than half. Yeah. And now I'm going to just blend that up until everything is smooth, like really smooth. So after which I'm going to strain it because I don't want much residue to leave in my hair. So this is why I'm doing this step. So yeah. So this is the consistency I was looking for. I like it really thick, but if you choose this, you can make yours thinner or thicker if you want. But either way, it still works the same. Okay, so now I'm applying it to my hair. It feels so good on my hair, like it's so smoothing, so gentle. And you know, it has a lot of benefits to it. It helps repairs dull and dry hair, and it also removes dandruffs. And if you have split ends, it helps with that also. So it's amazing. Okay, so there's a lot of effective ways you can use hibiscus for your hair. Hibiscus is a great ingredient for the hair that will cure a lot of hair problems without causing any harmful side effects, you know. So it's a wonderful idea to start including it in your hair regimen. It has a lot of benefits to it, like a lot, you know. So right now I'm just massaging it into the scalp, and for this video sake I'm going to let it sit for 10 minutes, but most of the times I let it sit for 20 minutes or more. So yeah. Okay, so this is how my hair looks after I wash it out. I mean, there's no residue. I mean, my hair feels great, looks great, and I love it. So the quote of the day is, life is what you make it. Yes, it is. So every decision you make has an impact on your life. So that's something to think on. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like up the video, share the video. Until next time, walk good, take care, be blessed. Bye.